it gets too noisy, just let me know. A little bit of dead skin and the noisy if you need. Impacted. So we're wiggling it out. Yeah, you've done a good job at impacting it. We'll get it out. This is very firm in your ear. So,
is it?
Yeah, we'll get it out there.
Okay.
Just when we work that close in the ear, that deep in the ear, we just want to be very cautious there.
Okay, yeah.
Things delicate there. Yeah, still loads in there.
Is that? Oh, that feels so much better already, you know.
So we probably create a little air gap, but wait till you can get all of it out.
Oh god, it's going to be amazing. Okay.
Just put some olive oil drop just to lubricate it a bit more.
Yeah.
In your case, deep near the eardrum, the ear canal narrows, it's called the isthmus, and the wax is trapped there, so hopefully the drops will just loosen that. So I brought it to the front, it's going to get it out, so it's out of that narrowing.
Woohoo!
It's quite a large lump, so it may not come out the entrance easily. I might have to get a little.
Yeah, that's fine.
trapped at the entrance. I was wriggling in circles trying to tease it out. Coming slowly but surely. There we are. Wow, that is a large lump.
Oh, yes. Oh, hallelujah.
So, what I'll do, I'll just have another look in your ear. Yeah, that's what's come out. I'll just have a look. It just makes sure all of it's out.
Oh my god. Oh my god. Yeah.
So let's just, there is a bit left, so let's just stop it. It'll be a lot noisier now.
Yeah, it is.
It's a bit noisy still. Piece.
Jesus.
Yeah, that's all cleared from it there. It's got a bit around the edge of the entrance. That's enough for you. Yeah, all done. So the eardrum is slightly tender, red because the wax is on it, but it's fine. It's okay. It'll just settle down now. But yeah, that's what we got out. How are you feeling?
Look, I feel amazing. I can't believe that's come out my ear.
I've seen worse, but it's
Oh god, that
it's
was
up there.
never going to come out, was it?
No way. So yeah, I'll send you the video.
Yeah, great.